Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So guess what I got in the mail on time, because this never gets to me on time. My Boxy Charm from April came in May, so it got two in May. So this is the one that's supposed to be for May. Let me open it up. Well, in case you didn't know, but I think everybody knows, Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription. You pay $25 monthly. You get 5 full size of high-end products. It could be skin related, it could be makeup related, and sometimes hair products too. And you pay only $25 a month, and the value of the box would be around more than 100, but you get it for 25. In Puerto Rico, it's 30, so I pay 30. I don't pay 25, but in the States, it's 25. So the first thing here is this, my daily dose of uplift, smooth and lift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme, I don't know how to pronounce that, Q10 and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serum from Japan. This looks pretty interesting. I love anything that's skincare, so I'm excited about this. It's a serum, 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh, you gotta look at that. If I seem weird, it's because I'm using my camera on selfie mode. So now I know I'm looking this way and it's supposed to be over here. It doesn't want to focus because it's on the selfie mode, and selfie mode is crappy. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it has no scent. A very faint scent. I really want to try this. And that, if you were to buy it normal price, that retails for, that is $65. $65. So this alone is worth more, the box with the 5 products. So wow, $65. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, I know I wanted this. This is another, and this is a overnight detox moisturizer. Again, I love everything about creams, and this brand is really good. So I think I had the eye cream, and this one's for nighttime. So what is this? What is this apparatus? How do I, how to use? PM massage evenly through face, neck and chest. How do you open this? I need instructions on how to open it. It pushes down. Am I supposed to twist? Oh, it comes out through here. It's like a little pump. Oh, it smells like oranges. That's the product right there. Okay, now I know. Now I know. I kept squeezing it and I'm like... And that retails for $74. Yikes. 74, and what did I say with this one? 74 and 65. And so far I only paid $30 for the box. Let's see what's next. This right here, a brow pencil. It's a brow pencil plus brow gel. I'm not a brow person because I have no eyebrows. I have no hairs. So I don't have to keep them in place. I barely have any hair. I just use a little bit of eyeshadow to darken them and give it a little shape. And that's it. I don't use nothing else. And I open it. Where do I open it? Right here. There it is. There's the product. You won't be able to see anything because this camera on selfie mode is so blurry. That's one side. I guess that's to like shade it in, color it in. And I just took off the whole thing. Welcome to my channel. There's bloopers up my ass, I swear. I took off the whole thing. It's not supposed to come off completely. See? Exactly. And then here, oh, I think it is supposed to come off. This is the gel part to keep them in place, but I know I'm not going to use this, so I'm probably going to set this aside or somebody else in a giveaway or something. I have some products that I know I'm not going to use, and I just put them aside for a future giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And this retails for a brow pencil. Okay, this is $26. Then this lipstick balm. Lips are always dry, so I know I need this. Oh, it's like a lipstick. Oh, it looks like it has color. I thought it was gonna be clear. Let's see. Oh, it's a lipstick. It has color. Retails for, okay, this is $15. $15. The last product I think is a eyeshadow palette here. KAB Cosmetics or Cab Cosmetics, I don't know. Day plus night. Let's see the colors. And hopefully it's good. It has a mirror. Good. Ooh, I see some lilac there. Have to try it out to see if it's good or patchy or whatever. And this is $52. Let me calculate everything for you. So I calculated everything, and all the products, all 5 products, adds up to $232. And I got it all for $30. So it's a win. I think it's gonna be a win. I think I'm gonna like everything. Well, except for the brow thing, and it's because I don't use that. But still, it's a win. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.